Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you tandoori potato cutlets. 2 boiled potatoes. Mash them. Take it into a bowl. Carrot 1 small cup. Sweet corn 1 small cup. Coriander leaves ½ cup. Red chili flakes ½ teaspoon. Oregano ½ teaspoon. Black pepper powder ½ teaspoon. Garlic powder ½ teaspoon. Salt ½ teaspoon. Rice powder 3 tablespoons. Corn flour 2 tablespoons. Mix well. Now apply oil for the hands. Make them into nuggets shape. Please like and subscribe my channel for more cooking videos. Also comment down your opinion in comment section below. Take an egg. Add pinch of salt and mix well. Also take breadcrumbs. Dip in the egg and coat with breadcrumbs. Repeat the process. Heat the oil. Now put the nuggets. Fry them on medium flame. Now take them out and put them in a tissue paper so that the extra oil will be removed. Repeat the process. Ready to serve. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel.